video is going to show you how to uncombine, ungroup an object. I'm going to come up here to the Pro Design library. Search for a clover. Maybe I'll choose something like this. You can change the cut type later as well once you import it. So I'll choose fill. I can come over here and change it, but you can see it all behaves as one object. However, I can come here to the app library, find the shape exploder, and import it, and now it behaves as 5 separate objects. I can edit these separately. To get a different type of design. I'll show you another example. Let's say you even have something simple like this that looks like it's going to be one solid line. And even if you bring it in, it has 2 lines next to each other. We can use the same process, shape exploder, and now those are separate. And can be edited separately. And if you want to keep the center position, go here and copy this to the same center position here to make sure they have the same center.